Farming tips play a crucial role in ensuring a successful crop season. A combination of knowledge, planning, and effective implementation can significantly impact crop production. Here are essential tips to enhance agricultural practices. Soil preparation. Begin by preparing the soil adequately to provide a favorable environment for plant growth and development. Sowing techniques. Employ appropriate sowing techniques based on the type of crop to optimize germination and overall plant health. Manure and fertilizers. Use the right balance of manure and fertilizers to ensure proper nutrient levels in the soil, promoting robust crop growth. Irrigation management. Implement efficient irrigation practices to provide adequate water without causing waterlogging or drought stress. Weed protection. Take measures to protect crops from weeds, as they compete for resources and can hinder crop growth. Harvesting techniques. Adopt proper harvesting techniques at the right time to maximize yield and quality. Storage practices. Ensure appropriate post-harvest storage conditions to prevent spoilage and maintain the quality of the harvested crops. Conclusion. Successful crop seasons hinge on a holistic approach to farming. Farmers need to incorporate these tips into their agricultural practices to optimize yields, minimize losses, and contribute to sustainable farming. By understanding the critical factors such as soil health, irrigation, and post-harvest practices, farmers can enhance productivity and ensure food security. Hope you liked this video. Share this video with all friends and don't forget to subscribe Discover Agriculture channel. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.